Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make up to $200 per day with Cpagrip using this simple method. Alright, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So today's video we're gonna be using Snaply to lock our locker. That makes sense. Alright, I'm going to be explaining how this method works in a nutshell. Alright, Snaply is a website that allows you to, basically lock your link, and then once people go to the main website, your link, they would have an opportunity to click on your link below. I know that might be difficult to understand, but I'm going to show you how it works step by step. Alright, so while you create your Snaply account, if you notice the name of my account right here, it says weight loss. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how to create a Snaply account while you follow along with me on this video. So creating a Snaply account is pretty simple. Let me show you how it works. So alright, you type in snap.ly. Yeah, this is the website, and you click on this get started for free. They do have a paid version, but just click on the get started for free and then click on start your free trial. All right, so for this part of the full name, for this section of the full name, you don't want to use your full name. You want to make sure you use a niche related name. For instance, which is the weight loss tips that I've used. You can use that as well, it doesn't matter. You want to make sure it's a niche related name, such as dog care, dog training, whatever it is. You want to make sure the name you are using here is not your real name. It's a niche related name, and I'm going to show you why in a moment. But for the email, you can go ahead and use your normal email address, and you can use your password. So that's that for the registration in a nutshell. So once you're registered, you're going to see this page, something that looks like this. All right, and once you create your account, you're going to see the niche name at the top right corner. As you can see, mine is weight loss tips. All right, so how do we go about this method? It's simple. As my name is weight loss tip, it means I want to use this method with a weight loss niche. All right, so what we're going to do now is go to Google and type in how to lose weight. And as you can see, there's a lot of results on this page. So basically, you can choose the best article amongst all of this, but pretty much all these articles are good enough for me. All right, so what we're going to do now is copy this link, the link to this page. We copy that, then we go to the Snaply dashboard and we paste that in there. Create Snap. So once you do that, you will notice a little box beneath the link, beneath the page. As you can see, it says weight loss tips, and that was why I said you have to use a niche related name, because it's going to increase conversions, of course. All right, so let's continue with the process. And now you want to click on type, and then you want to make sure you go with this button. All right, so in this message box, which is what is going to appear under the weight loss tips, you want to make sure you put in an eye-catchy title that will make people want to click. So for instance, we're going to be going with lose ugly fat while you eat foods you love. Alright, as you can see, it already appears below here. I'm sorry about that. Alright, and as for this click here, you want to change it to download. And then want to go back to our locker and then get our content locker link, which you can do by clicking on the URL file locker. Click on that, copy the link, and then you want to paste the link right here. So you click on continue, and I'll recommend you stick to social. In my opinion, is the best, and forget about all these options with locker. I believe they are for the paid version. Anyway, we're done here, and click on finish CTA. So once you do that, you want to copy this link to see what it looks like. As you can see, once the page opens, you can see you have this little box which we created right here. Lose ugly fat while you eat foods you love. As you can see, once they click, as you can see, this box is quite related to this page, to what this post is about. So there's a good chance whoever stumble upon this page is going to want to click on this link as they are interested in this topic. So once they click on this download, it's going to take them to your content locker page. All right, it's going to take them to this page, and they would have to complete an offer to download what is available, what you log for them, obviously. So basically, that is the method in a nutshell, and you can do this for any niche. And how do you promote this method? It's super simple. All right, you want to join Facebook group in weight loss niche, obviously. So once you search for weight loss, okay, you want to search for weight loss. As you can see, there are a lot of groups regarding weight loss. You can see 11K, 12K, 19, 139, and you can see they are highly active groups. This one have 50 posts per day, 190 posts a day, 720 a day, 150 a day, 210 a day. So you can see you don't have to join all these groups. You can join a couple of them. And then how do you promote this link on this group? So once you join any of the group, it's basically easy. You create a post, and then you want to write something like the amazing of course is the speed at which this program works. It is rather remarkable to throw off. As much as 6 pounds of fluid and fat in the very first weekend. That's it. So as you can see, this is a very awesome post to make. The amazing, of course, is the speed at which this program works. It is rather remarkable to throw off as much as 6 pounds of fluid and fat in the very first weekend. All right, so you want to copy this link and then you paste it below the post, and then you post it. So you're going to do this for all the first Facebook group you join. All right, so that's it about the method, guys. If you find value in this video, show the boy some love, subscribe to the channel, and drop a like on the video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll be getting to you as soon as I can. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye now.